Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing of my new Range Rover, which I showed in my shorts, which got 635 views. So let's unbox this. I have already used it to show you guys. This is actually a working model, plus it has a quality. So I'm opening the box first for you guys. So basically, this is our car. It's a Range Rover Evoque in the rare color of black and white. Plus, it has a remote. The car is built in with battery, but the remote contains no battery. So we have to put the battery. So I have already installed the battery here. And when you operate, the light shows. And on April 4th something, we are going to do a really good vlog, or after that. I am sure that it will be between 4th and 12th. So the antenna is small. So this RC car has a range of 100 plus feet. So let's on this switch button. So our remote is working lights. Left turn. So let's see, this car works on the ground. So this is a car. It has a nice quality. It is not like normal plastic RC cars. This has actual quality. And I also tested the off-road, which I will show you in next video. But before you use, read the instruction. Do it once only. Because in the box they have shown one important point, which is in the maybe the 7th number. So here they have written, do not play in water or sand to avoid malfunction of the circuit. So don't do it, okay?